Welcome back. This is MoTech. In our program number 7, we are going to perform addition of two numbers. So, figure 13 shows our part A, which is source code part, and part B, which is figure 14, is the output of our program. So we should write this piece of code to the compiler. So let's go to the compiler and write this simple code for performing addition of two numbers in C++. Hash include iostream using namespace std int main, our main function, put comment C++ program for addition of two numbers. So let us declare our three variables: int number 1, number 2, and sum for holding our summation of these two numbers. So number 1 should be initialized to 15, and number 2 should be initialized to 5. Now sum, which is our variable for carrying summation of these two numbers, should be equal to number 1 plus number 2. That is end. Do not forget to put semicolon. So cout send the message and the total of these numbers to the console. Sum of two numbers is sum semicolon return 0. So that is end of our program. So here we have declared three variables which are of type int: number 1, number 2, sum. Number 1 is equal to 15, number 2 is equal to 5, then sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2, then sum of two numbers is sum. So our program should be saved addition.c++. Okay, this is addition. As you can see, everything is right, no errors, no warning. Let's compile and run. Oh, sum of two numbers is 20. Is it right? Okay, let's see. 15 plus 5. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It should be 20. It should be 20. So let's see the output from our book and compare to our output from the console to see if the program is correct. Yeah, these are two. They look the same. Sum of two numbers is 20 and the sum of two numbers is 20. Thank you for watching. This is the end of program number 7, which was writing a program which perform addition of two numbers. Thank you. See you next tutorial.